on 9th of December, Panaji Police Station received a complaint from a tourist, namely Sridhar Reddy, resident of Hyderabad, to the effect that on 9th of the December at 10:30 p.m. he has parked his vehicle at Church Square, Panaji, and when he returned back, he found the quarter glass of his car was broken by some unknown culprits, and they decamped with the 4 luggage bags, which contains valuables like MacBook and other articles, all worth ₹9 lakh. So immediately on receipt of this complaint, PI Panaji Nikhil Jalekar registered the crime, and immediately he formed a team to detect this case and put them on a task. And with their painstaking and meticulous efforts, within 48 hours, under the guidance of PI Nikhil Jalekar, they managed to apprehend those accused from Bathora area and recovered the goods worth ₹7 lakhs from those accused. The name of those accused are one Haider, son of Riyaz Khan, and the second one is Nizamuddin Jalekar, both resident of Bathora. And the property worth ₹7 lakh was recovered at their instance, and they have been arrested in this crime. And the team, which was formed by PI Nikhil Jalekar, has done an excellent job, and with their tireless effort through the scientific investigation, they managed to apprehend those accused under the direct supervision of SP North, C. Akshat Kaushal.
Sir, you have mentioned about 7 lakh. What about 2 lakh?
2 lakhs were cash. So we are still in a process of recovering that cash after obtaining the remand of the accused from the Honorable Court. So that process will go on. The investigation is not yet completed. So that investigation to recover the remaining part of the property is underway.
Involved in other crimes?
No, the criminal antecedents of the accused is being verified from the other police stations, and a correspondence to that effect is already been done by PI Nikhil Jalekar.
They are talking Goan?
No, they are native of Karnataka, but they are staying in Bathora area.
How long they stay? How long they are staying here?
They are staying here for last 20 years.
They were working here or something?
They were working here. They were drivers. They are doing some this daily wage workers.
Not involved before in any crime?
No, that we are verifying. So it needs some time to find out the criminal antecedent from the native place also, and other police stations in Goa also. 2 days remand we have obtained initially for the purpose of investigation.
Is there anybody involved?
That we will investigate. So it will be premature to divulge the name of those who are involved. So investigation is going on in direction.